You know, I've been shopping here for 40 years, and this is an amazing place. If you're looking for a piece of hardware or whatever, you can't believe the inventory. You only need to stop here, and the help is terrific. They take good care of you, and you're in and out, no problems. It's a good place to do business.
And what's the difference between a mom and pop place like this and some of the other experiences you have around town these days?
Well, this is a good example of having an experience because they're still in business. And the other ones are going out of business left and right because they forgot the most important thing, and that's service. And they take care of their clients. The rest, they just point, go there, go there, go there, but they'll take care of you here. A town is based on the convenience that you have to take care of your business. And it's difficult to find that kind of service anywhere anymore. It's just an in and out, get your money, get down the street. But when you come here, they're gonna take care of you. And they remember you when you come in. There's a lot of them here, but you can't beat the service. I can say anytime you want a piece of hardware, go in and have an experience, not a purchase. Thank you.